Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI avatars for TikTok. So if you want a unique AI generated profile picture or avatar for your TikTok account, just follow along. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap on the edit profile option. Now, depending on your version of TikTok, you may see an AI avatar or AI profile picture feature in the profile editing section. If you don't see it, don't worry because the feature isn't available to everyone and may not be available in your region. Another option is to use an AI avatar app or tool such as Canva, ChatGPT image generation, or other AI image generators. Upload a few photos of yourself if required, then choose the style you want, such as cartoon, anime, realistic, or digital art. The AI will generate multiple avatars options for you. Once your avatar is ready, save it to your device, then go back to your TikTok, tap Edit Profile, select your profile picture, and upload the AI avatar you create. And that's how to create AI avatars for TikTok. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.